What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. This is Victoria Elise, and today we are cooking a delicious, creamy hamburger pasta. Let's jump into it. First things first, we are going to get all our veggies prepped. We got an orange bell pepper. We got some jalapenos, just one, sliced and diced. We got a large yellow onion, just half, also sliced and diced. Don't forget some fresh garlic cloves. I got about 5 there. Less garlic, more garlic, whatever your heart wants. We're going to fill up our pot for the pasta. Going to get some water, put some olive oil in there and some sea salt. You want that water to be as salty as the ocean because that's where our pasta is going. We're going in with some hamburger and some Italian sausage. We're just going to get that broken down so it can all cook evenly. Once that meat is all broken down, we are going to go in with our seasoning. We got some Creole seasoning. We just want to cover the top of our meat as we season. We got some Sazon. Whole pack of that is going in. We got some granulated onion covering the top of that. Now we're going to go in with those chopped veggies. In goes our onion, our bell pepper, our jalapeno, and our garlic. It's looking bright and beautiful and delicious. Just giving it a good mix, making sure everything is incorporated, making sure that meat is cooking evenly. So just some good stirs going in there. Here comes some ground cumin. Again, just lightly covering the top of our meat. And go some garlic, and you cannot forget to taste in between to make sure it is at the taste that you want it to be at. We got some Italian seasoning going in there. We got some taco seasoning. So good, so delicious. Giving it some good stirs, making sure all those flavors are all over our meat. And don't forget to taste and taste and taste again. Here it is close up, getting a good look at that yummy bubbling. Let's get to our boiling water. In goes our pasta shells, a whole box of medium shells, just giving that a good stir. Back to our meat mixture, we're going in with a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. No flavor, just regular tomato sauce. You can get the ones that are flavored if you want to put more flavor in there. I just chose to use this one. Here comes some vegetable broth. I just filled up the can of where the tomato sauce came from and poured that in. We got some Velveeta cheese. I just had some leftover Velveeta, y'all, so I wanted to throw it in there for some extra cheesiness, and it is an added deliciousness. We got some shredded sharp cheddar cheese as well, stirring in there. We got some heavy whipping cream. I would say maybe a half cup is what I did. I just poured it blind, so a half cup I would start with and then go from there if you wanted more. And now I'm just transferring pots because it is getting too big of a beast. In goes those shells, and I am just mixing and mixing and mixing, making sure all the flavors are covered and coated in those pasta shells. I love these little shells because the flavor gets trapped inside of them as well. It's perfect. So just mixing that up. Let's get a close-up view of the deliciousness that we have created. Like I always say, I wish y'all could smell it through the TV, smell it through the phone. So good. My house was smelling amazing. We have now reached that stage of plating, just putting it on our plate. We're going to add some chives on top to give it some extra color. Cannot forget the cheesy garlic bread on the side. And there y'all have it, the adult version hamburger helper. This pasta is so good, so full of flavor. Y'all will not be disappointed if you try it out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and until next time, y'all, bye.